When I wake up in the morning, I'm excited to come to the office and to see what jobs are going well, what customers need attention, and what we need to do to improve in all aspects of the business. Hi, my name is Tom Fortune. I'm the youngest of the three brothers that started Fortune Restoration. Bob, Pete, and I started in 1979, and in our parents' basement, working our way through high school and college, and after 38 years have grown into one of Chicagoland's premier restoration firms. We haven't found many companies in our market that can provide all of the services that we do. Painting, masonry, tuck pointing, window and door replacement, carpentry. It's common when we're working at a customer's home or their structure that they'll say, while you're here, can you do this or that? So it's common that jobs will increase in size every day, and customers find value in the fact that we can provide a variety of services to make their job as a homeowner easier. They don't have to contact 3 or 4 different trades to come out and do a job when we can do all of them, and it's time saving for them. The most gratifying aspect of our business is making customers happy.